ember. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit about California wildfires. Just last year, California spent $40 billion because of wildfires. What makes California so susceptible to wildfires is its hot climate, dry land, and windy days. Just in 2019, there was 8,315 fires in California. Some stakeholders include firefighters, wildlife living in the wooded area, homeowners whose houses can be burnt down, park rangers who work within the woods, electrical companies, and many more. A big stakeholder is our planet, whose climate is being drastically affected by these reoccurring fires. The diversity within these stakeholders make the One Health approach possible. Now let's talk about how to decrease wildfires in California. First, we will use a top-down approach to evaluate the problem. With this approach, we will be focusing on the problem at a national level, where funds will be provided to finance these ideas. First, we want to implement a government program where each county will hire individuals to participate in forest thinning where undergrowth is removed. Undergrowth can fuel fires. We also want to implement laws that require forested areas to have prescribed fires, which are low-intensity fires that help the forest instead of hurting it. Our third idea is to ban the development of houses in deeply wooded areas. Lastly, we think it's important for states to issue power shutoffs during those extra risky windy days. Now let's take a bottom-up approach, which will focus on the wildfire problem at the individual level. Here, educating the public is very important. We think there should be a single reliable website that can be accessed for any wildfire information or updates. It is important to know how to be safe during a wildfire, but it is also important to know how to be safe to prevent a wildfire. Individuals should limit their use of fireworks or campfires unless they know it's 100% safe. Individuals can also take part in vegetation management, as well as spreading awareness and sharing these tips with their neighbors. It's time to list and deal with some potential roadblocks that could prevent us from decreasing wildfires in California. Not enough resources like money, time, and people can be a problem, not to mention that we are fighting against climate change, which has created a hotter and drier environment with less water. So what's the solution? It's you. As a species, we can control our carbon footprint, study climate change, invest in clean energy, and together we can overcome any roadblock. Let's decrease wildfires together. Thank you, and goodbye for now.